Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy keto fudge. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I have got an amazing, easy, delicious keto fudge. Just a wonderful treat that you can keep on hand whenever you've got that you need a piece of chocolate, which is, for me, is every single day. So we're going to get started because this has got to chill in the refrigerator to set up. Before we get started, I've got a loaf pan here and I've already lined it with parchment paper, and then we sprayed the inside with cooking spray. We just don't want our fudge to stick. This just ensures. Also, I kept the parchment a little bigger so we can just lift it out when it sets. Lift the fudge out when it sets. All right, we're going to start off with, I've got this saucepan over low heat, and I'm going to add a half a cup of butter so we can start to melt this butter in our pan. And I'm also going to add 9 ounces of sugar-free chocolate chips. This is Lily's brand, but any sugar-free chocolate chips that you like will be fine. We're going to melt these together, and it's going to be a glorious mixture. So this is getting close to being completely melted. I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of powdered sweetener. This is, of course, keto-friendly sweetener. My favorites are Lakanto brand or Swerve. I prefer Lakanto over Swerve, but you can usually find Swerve in most grocery stores now, which is great. Lakanto you usually have to order online, or you can find it at Whole Foods. So I'm going to continue stirring this until everything is just melted and smooth and amazing. So a quick note, the chocolate chips that we used were the Lily's dark chocolate chips, but you could definitely use the Lily's milk chocolate chips. Ooh, they even have white chocolate chips. That would be delicious, a white chocolate fudge. They've got butterscotch chocolate chips. So then you could have, I don't know, they may have peanut butter too, and that would be really good as well. Okay, this is nicely melted, so I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and this is 3/4 cup of walnuts, chopped walnuts. I'm going to leave, I don't know, about that much. And then I'm going to put those on top of the fudge. So we're going to stir this all up. Oh my gosh. And the walnuts are completely optional, but I just love the crunch that they give. And that looks amazing. So I'm going to pull out my lined loaf pan, and I'm going to pour this into it very carefully since this is hot. And feel free to lick the pan, the saucepan. I'm going to spread this out and make sure it's an even layer. You can even tap it on the counter and shake it just to get it flattened out. And then I'm going to add the rest of the walnuts to the top. And another thing that is completely optional but highly recommended is some crunchy flaked sea salt. So good. So this is going to need to chill. You can chill it in the refrigerator until it sets up about, I don't know, an hour or so, 2 hours. Or you could just put it in the freezer and it will set up a lot faster. It might discolor a little on the top. Don't worry about it. It still tastes the same. Still going to be delicious. So in to chill. Okay, our fudge is all set. That's the word I'm looking for. Look at how amazing that looks. And you can see it kind of discolored a little bit on the top, but I think that actually makes it look a little prettier because we did set this in the freezer But look at that. That is glorious. So time for a snack. I'm telling you, do not skip that. The sea salt or the walnuts, it really just makes it incredible. Be sure you check out this recipe, and also check out my recipe for my keto chocolate chip cookies. So good as well. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.